Hello students, welcome to Medical 360. The NEET results are already out and all the states are now getting into registration and choice filling. And what we're doing now is to cover state-wise the private universities private medical colleges that are there, the public medical colleges that are there, and the kind of rank cutoff that you need or what happened last year and what you need this year based on what happened last year, of course, is what we're going to present so that you know what are your chances of getting into a decent medical college in your state if it is through the state counseling. We also done something for All India quota and we also done for Deemed universities. All those things we'll continue doing. But this is at a state level. And at a state level also we'll do public institutions separately, private institutions separately and deemed separately so that you exactly know what the pathway is. Right now what we're going to cover is Kerala, all private medical colleges is what we'll cover at this point in time. The seats that are there in each of these colleges and what is the kind of closing ranks that you had last year so that you know what is the projection for the future year. Now, while we're doing that, a lot of students also want to reach out to us because see the NEET counseling process is pretty complicated, right? You actually have the state counseling, you have the Deemed University counseling, you have the All India counseling. So what we decided was we actually created a counseling service for you. Send us a message on this number if you need personalized counseling. By the way, it's a paid for service 8130376334. Send us a message NEET on this particular number, and one of our counselors will call you. If you want to do it yourself, there is a product that we created which is search on Google, Career 360 NEET College Predictor. Search it on Google and you will find this predictor. You can use it where you input your rank, your category, your state, and tell you what exactly you're likely to get based on the data of previous year. Remember, based on the data of previous year. And do subscribe to Medical 360 because what we're doing is we're creating a lot of content to help students like yourself decide for yourself. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM IST, which is a deemed university based in Tamil Nadu in Chennai. Now let's talk of Kerala. We're talking of, as I told you, what are we talking about here? We're talking of all the private medical colleges in Kerala is what we're talking of. So let's get into the private medical colleges in Kerala. Now before that, let's understand what happened in Kerala this year. The number of seats in Kerala increased from 5404 to 5704, which is 300 seats increase. Now it's a very small number actually if you look at 5700, but in terms of percentage, we're dealing with about 6% jump. But all the jump happened only in private. The public remained at 1855 and 1855, which is zero increase. Right? And more importantly, the 300 seats, that's one part of it. More importantly, what happened this time around is the number of students who qualified from Kerala was earlier 73,328 in 2025. That went down to 51,782, which is a drop of 21,000 or a 30% drop. It's a 30% drop. That's a massive drop. So to that extent, your chances of getting into one of the private medical colleges or any medical college for that matter improves because the number of students qualified itself is lower, which means across the board possibly the scores are also lower. So you should remember that in mind, the 30% drop. Now which means, by the way, when I talk of rank list for Kerala, it is inter se merit, which means we're talking of Kerala rank only. So what Kerala counseling does, they take all India ranks and reclassify them as Kerala ranks by filtering down to all the students who qualified from Kerala and attributing a rank to that, attaching a rank to that against a common all India common rank list. So to that extent, the rank number would not change, but at a lower score also you're likely to get a better rank is what I think will happen this time around. Now let's look at this, right? Let's talk about the private medical colleges in India. The first one is Jubilee Mission Medical College and Research Institute, Thrissur. For the unreserved, it is 2,594. For SC, it's 12,062 is the highest closing rank. Remember, this is a Kerala rank is what we're talking about, right? And for ST, it is 23,192, right? Amala Institute of Medical Sciences, Amala Nagar, 2,678 for unreserved. SC is 12,876. Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church Medical College, Kolincheri, 3,198 is the unreserved, and 15,479 is for the SC category. Pushpagiri Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Tiruvalla, 3,586 for unreserved, 13,397 for SC, and 26,187 for ST. Believers Church Medical College Hospital, Tiruvalla, 3,599 is for unreserved, 15,750 for SC category. Moving further, MES Academy of Medical Sciences, Malaparama, Paramba, 3,721 for unreserved, SC is 15,760, ST is 26,169. Sri Gokulam Medical College, 3930 for unreserved, OBC is 9234, SC is 15708, ST is 26042. Travancore Medical College, Kollam, 5837 for unreserved, 174,743 for SC, and ST is 28460. Malabar Medical College Hospital and Research Center, for 5979 for unreserved, OBC is 17,273, SC is 17,020, ST is 26,678. KMCT Medical College, Manasiri, 6158 for unreserved, SC is 16,993, and ST is 26,857. Kerala Medical College, Mangode, 6214 for unreserved, 16,633 for SC, and ST is 26,819. Dr. Somervell Memorial CSA Medical College and Hospital, Karakonam, 6730 for unreserved, 17,251 for SC, ST is 26,678. Sri Uttardom Tirunal Academy of Medical Sciences, Venkode, 7597 for unreserved, OBC is 14,063, SC is 17,930, ST is 29,304. Sri Narayana Institute of Medical Sciences, Chalakka, 8186 for unreserved, OBC is 17,625, SC is 17,221, ST is 28,517. Azizia Medical College, Mayanur, 8561 for unreserved, 17,935 for SC. DM Wims Medical College and Hospital, Meppadi, 8599 for unreserved, OBC is 18,864, SC is 17,696, ST is 26,857. Mount Zion Medical College and Hospital, Ezankulam, 17,070 for SC, 9,556 for unreserved. PK Das Institute of Medical Sciences, Ottapalam, 9756 for unreserved, OBC is 19,325, SC is 17,967, ST is 29,420. Karuna Medical College, Palakkad, 9844 for unreserved, 18,003 for SC. Al Azhar Medical College and Super Specialty Hospital, 10,678 for unreserved, 18,029 for SC, 27,405 for ST. Palakkad Institute of Medical Sciences, Palayar, 10,841 for unreserved, OBC is 18,733, SC is for 18,034, ST is 29,388. Remember what I told you? What we're talking of is inter-se merit list. So it's a Kerala merit list is what we're talking of. We're not talking of all India rank. We're only talking the Kerala rank. And everything here, what the Kerala Council does is it takes out all the ranks and filters it down to all the students from Kerala who qualified, and then attributes a rank list based on the common rank list. And that's how this rank comes in, and that's why it's so low, right? And as I told you, if you need any counseling or any help in understanding all these things, send us a message on this number, 8130376334. Send us a message NEET, and one of our counselors will call you up. Do use the college predictor, which is Credit 360 NEET college predictor, which is on Google. Just search for that, and you just need to input your rank, your score, your state and your category and all. Will tell you what happened last year, so that you know at least have an indication of what looks likely to happen for you. Do subscribe to Medical 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help yourself, you people like you decide for yourself. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRMISC, which is a deemed university based in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much. Namaste.